Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Download the Webull app, choose Canada, and start a new account with your legal name and email. Follow prompts to accept user agreements. Complete identity verification with a government ID and proof of address. Review typically clears in 24-48 hours depending on document quality. Enable two-factor authentication and set a strong passcode before funding to secure your account. Enable biometric unlock if available. Check account-level messages for approvals for margin or options trading that require extra paperwork and suitability checks. Link a Canadian bank using electronic funds transfer and request an EFT or wire to move money to Webull. Review your bank's transfer limits and expected timing. Webull converts CAD to USD when you buy US-listed securities. The platform will display the currency conversion at funding or execution, so you can see the implied spread. U.S. equities settle T+2, and trades execute as market, limit, or stop orders depending on the order type you choose. Use limit orders to control price and stop orders to manage downside risk. Complete and file a W-8BEN in your Webull profile to claim Canadian treaty benefits and reduce U.S. dividend withholding to 15% for most Canadian residents. Confirm the form is accepted before trading U.S. dividend stocks. Keep detailed trade records with dates, proceeds, and adjusted cost base so you can report capital gains or losses on your Canadian T1 tax return accurately. Use risk controls. Set stop losses, avoid excessive margin use, and monitor margin maintenance to prevent forced liquidations. Consult
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.